Hey friends, think Idaho's just about potatoes and empty roads? Think again. We're diving into 35 weird, funny, and totally unexpected facts and laws about the gem state that'll have you raising an eyebrow, or maybe cracking up. Let's get into it. 1. So apparently it's illegal to fish while riding a camel. Yeah, in Idaho. Who knew that was a problem? 2. In the city of Pocatello, it's actually illegal to frown in public. Yep. You're required to smile. 3. Cannibalism? Technically legal, but only if it's a matter of survival. Comforting, right? 4. In Eagle, sweeping dirt into the street is a big no-no. Keep that mess to yourself. 5. Giving your Valentine a box of candy over 50 pounds? Illegal. Somebody went overboard once. 6. Selling chickens after dark is banned in some places. Night chickens are suspicious, I guess. 7. Kissing in public used to be punishable in certain towns. So much for romance. 8. And yes, biting off someone's arm is officially a felony, just in case that wasn't clear. 9. Idaho was home to the very first ski chairlift ever, built in Sun Valley back in 1936. 10. The name Idaho was literally made up during a debate over naming Colorado. It just stuck. 11. There's a real town named Beer. Yes, you can actually live in Beer, Idaho. 12. Idaho's state fruit is the huckleberry, and locals are obsessed with it. 13. The state cranks out over 13 billion pounds of potatoes every year. That's a lot of fries. 14. Atomic City lit up its streets with nuclear energy before it was cool. 15. Hell's Canyon is deeper than the Grand Canyon. Take that, Arizona. 16. Idaho's state seal? Designed by a woman in 1891, way ahead of her time. 17. There's a place literally called Middle of Nowhere in Idaho, GPS optional. 18. Wallace claims to be the center of the universe. They even marked it with a manhole cover. 19. You can stay in a giant beagle-shaped bed and breakfast, tail and all. 20. Potato ice cream exists, and yes, it's an actual dessert you can order. 21. There's a town called Good Grief. Feels like the perfect place to scream into the void. 22. Idaho's nickname is the Gem State. They've got 72 kinds of gemstones. 23. There's an Airbnb shaped like a giant potato. You can literally sleep in a spud. 24. Payette Lake has its own sea monster legend. They call him Charlie. 25. In some Idaho towns, cows outnumber people. Moving right along. 26. Lava Hot Springs stays warm year-round, even during snowstorms. 27. Boise State's blue football field? Iconic. It's called the Smurf Turf. 28. You can go sandboarding down actual dunes at Bruneau Dunes State Park. 29. There's a UFO landing site marker in Jerome just in case the aliens show up. 30. Idaho once tried to ditch Pacific time. They wanted to make their own time zone. 31. There are over 100 ghost towns scattered around the state. Spooky road trip, anyone? 32. A giant meteor left a crater that's over 50,000 years old. Still cool today. 33. Idahoans eat 30% more ice cream than the national average. Respect. 34. Wild purple potatoes grow here. Yes, actual purple potatoes. 35. Idaho even has an official potato song. And honestly, it slaps. So yeah, Idaho is way more than just farmland and French fries. Between nuclear-powered towns, smiling laws, and giant dog hotels, it's a quirky little corner of the country that's full of surprises. Catch you on the next list.